The Canton Hurricanes are going to start today's game on the 5-yard line. And ladies and gentlemen, just a quick heads up and a quick programming note, we are having scoreboard issues, so time and score will be kept on the field. If we get it working on test.
Back up, gentlemen, back up.
Is that safety?
It's close. It's a loss of probably 4. Yeah. Shit.
And the Hurricanes gain about 9 yards on that play, taking us to 3rd and 6. And the Hurricanes make a pass to the 20-yard line, taking us to 1st and 10. Is that a new one? Maybe that's what it is in programming.
Yeah, it was in football mode when we got here.
Now keep scoreboard keeps on going.
And we have an incomplete pass by the Hurricanes, taking us to 3rd and 8.
Aaron Whalen, 83.
And the Hurricanes get the 7-yard gain for the first.
Side note, we have 18 guys from this team named to the All-Star team this year.
Really?
Pick that up. Put it down.
And we have an incomplete pass, taking us to 3rd and 8.
Oh, our game? Yeah, 2 weeks ago? Oh, yeah, that was
Terrible.
I thought
Oh, it was. Yeah, it was 4 weather delays, 2 overtimes.
Was there a lightning or what? I didn't call the game. Did they need it or?
Oh, fake. Get him short, get him.
Go,
spot to get the score. But I don't think I'm going to do
Moody on the tackle.
Moody on the tackle, no game? Awesome yard.
Awesome yard.
Moody from there.
What let you do score on that?
They'll let me do score and down. It won't let me do yards to go.
Yeah, 37 should be Josh Knox. Yep.
Their 23rd yard line. I had to think about it.
23, brother.
23, 23rd. That's where the line of
Probably missed it. Okay, what do we do? We got a dead ball offside on the defense. 5-yard penalty.
He's so funny.
There you go!
Sessions and 50 from Tom's losses.
There you go! There you go!
And another 22 yards by Mr. Eddie Knott.
You watch toward the end of the game, you won't be able to. You watch toward the end of the game, you won't be able to bend over and he's going to get blown out. Stand straight up and he's not
Really still? That's the worst.
He's running again. He's taking full time here.
The 5.
Should
Should be
First year, I won't be able to make this.
That's more, that's more notice than I had. I just
Jerry
went out to
wanted me
the
to
end
go out there.
there.
He called me 9 o'clock. I got off work 9 o'clock to work. He's like, is there any way you can hobble around the field? I said, no.
Oh my
But these guys are
goodness.
too fast for that. I can do junior high, but I can't.
But
Too quick.
championship might not be here.
Is it next week? Or 2 weeks?
No, 2 weeks.
And there goes swinging.
Because what happened, I guess, the student.
We'll play for
Yeah,
Canada
that's
next
what we
week.
say.
Well, you get in the end zone.
He should have never. He should have just put his head down and went
Down to the 1. There's the ball.
Everything you say like that.
Touchdown.
Touchdown. 17?
Yes.
17, Derek Maddox. And we have a touchdown Scourge by number 17, Mr. Derek Maddox. Derek is also one of the 18 Scourge players that have been chosen for this star team. I'm getting to it. Wait until the fourth quarter, man. You never know. Ooh, what's
Nice
on?
blocks, extra point blocks.
That's how you gotta make it.
6-0.
And the extra point is blocked.
Halftime, I figured we'd miss it.
Where's the janitor? They here? They here today or? Is it 21?
No. Don't give them a choice. They can kick over or take the ball on the 35.
Oh, 35 regardless.
Yeah, it's all legal procedure. 4 yards, I'm sorry, 4 yards. All legal procedure.
Hey, little man. There. Make sure, buddy.
And we have a flag for legal procedure kicking out.
No, this is still the first quarter for
Get on it. Pick it up.
Oh!
Third ball.
I don't know what. You
Yep.
34.
34, I thought it was 21. I finally got it.
I think it was 34 because he tossed the ball back.
Carries on referee.
Ten more.
So number 8.
Yes.
I don't have their names.
Yeah.
What number 8 got that?
You covered the fumbles, that ball?
Which game you watching?
Oh, God.
And we have an incomplete pass, taking us to 3rd and 15.
What color are you looking at? Okay. Option number 8. Get the first down. Seems like a cab.
It's the charge.
You're right. Charge, exactly. Honestly, I don't know who he is.
Yeah.
They're gonna say, you recommend this guy? I don't know him.
Yeah, right. Who? Oh, that's a one
Hey, I got
there.
another thing for you. Can you got another card you can give me? I heard say I'm looking for their high school season.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you should get into that. You went to
I
school.
told him last year.
Yeah.
You went to school.
Contact all them schools in that area.
So you were
I didn't make it because of work.
Heard it on the radio.
You should have seen the amount of people. Yeah, he been sick a long time. Caught it.
Get in there. Go ahead, yes. 17. 17.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have a Scourge touchdown, number 17, Mr. Derek Maddox. What a great name, Derek.
Shot to Eddie Mack. You got it. 2-point conversion for Eddie Mack.
They're supporting the Scourge in their quest for an OFL championship.
We also could run this street to try to prosper.
Get him.
Error penalty, first down for the Hurricanes.
Yeah. Official signal. He was
Yeah, he was doing the holding. I know holding. That is the one thing I do know. They hold. Holding. I know which way they're pointing. They're pointing at the defense or the offense.
broken play. Get him. Yeah. Sack. 93. 83. Third down.
And we have an incomplete pass by the Hurricanes, taking them to
Get him.
We worked together.
I can get around the junior high game.
Yeah, but still.
This is a run too fast.
And ladies and gentlemen, to direct your attention to the front, we have a gentleman in the gray shirt carrying the waters. He has the right idea. Stay hydrated. It is warm, and your body does want that water.
Go ahead. Fumble and Hurricane got it. On the 22-yard line.
Hey, Carl! The bed of my truck is a Ziploc bag, and there's ice in that red cooler.
Get him, Zach. Pick that up.
Okay. Aw, that's funny.
Yeah, he's like, you have to work 6 hours today and 5 hours tomorrow.
Poor baby.
Welcome to the world, son. Get him.
That is my niece's husband.
There's a hole!
I saw hold on number 20.
Jeez! How can that ref stand there and let that go? That was so blatant.
That was nice. Huh?
Yeah.
What, they finished second or third? Something like that. Get him. You could
Yes! We picked it off. We were better off knocking it down.
Yeah, we were off knocking it down.
First down.
gotta call in. It's like, I'm fine, Dad. I'm fine.
My son says to me,
Get him.
All right, folks, we had a flag on that play. We had offsides on the defense. That's a 5-yard penalty, and it's 3rd down.
How much time for halftime?
At 1830 Donald Avenue in Youngstown, Ohio, for food and for spirits.
You have a school things out there? Concession stand? What are those?
Yeah, the hugs are the
Nickel lips?
small ones.
Those are wax candy things, you drink the same stuff. It's like
Pitch out. Eddie Mack this time.
oh, nice block.
First down again.
Oh, nice cut!
Go, Eddie. Oh, no, got room. Go, Eddie. Go, Eddie.
See ya!
Mr. Eddie Mack going, and he's touchdown! Touchdown for the Scourge!
Yeah, hold on. We got a flag. We got a flag. Also, legal procedure on offense. Can't say negative.
What was it?
Legal procedure.
Oh,
I never
yeah.
get it.
It's like chewing on a cat
I've heard
turd.
smoke. And we had we had really good national anthem singing last year. Remember that? It's like a church group or something. Yeah, big girls.
Take that off.
Tyrus Patterson.
And we have a pass knocked from the sky by Mr. Tyrus Patterson of the Western Reserve Scourge. That's going to take the Hurricanes to 3rd and 13. And just a heads up, Mr. Tyrus Patterson, number 2, is also part of that All-Star team I mentioned earlier for the Northern Conference.
My chicken scratch.
Residents of Sunrise Residential Living.
Assisted living. Is it residential? I'm sorry.
I could be wrong.
I thought it was I don't know. Maybe it's, you're right, probably.
And that beautiful tackle was by number 83, Mr. Aaron Wayland, yet another one of the North Conference's All-Star team for this year. And we are happy to welcome and have visit us today some residents from Sunrise Assisted Living and some players, coaches, and cheerleaders of the Struthers Little Wildcats. Welcome to the game, folks.
Dang it!
This is a 49 or 50. Well, that's just about right on top of 50. Yeah.
And the Hurricanes get a first down on a fake, taking us to 1st and 10 on the 50.
We'll take some linen down there and
You gotta do it. Last couple of weeks there haven't been no 66 yards.
oh god. Silly calls. No penalty or
No, take the weight off.
There we go. Yeah!
34 and 21.
So we got a timeout for Hurricane. Let's see, 75 came closer. That's it. Got it, yeah.
Oh, nope.
Oh, come on!
I gotta say, I thought he got it.
Yeah.
That was, no.
That was a questionable one. That was
That's a baseball call.
That's smart having that deep back there, just in case of the.
Oh, look at that. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. Oh.
Can't get up in
Folks, get yourself hydrated, get yourself fed. Stage left, or at least to your left, you will see the concessions.
Flash, 88.
Nice, nice, nice!
Go ahead, Scott. Go ahead, break it.
Yeah!
Nice.
Woo!
We're like in the middle.
There we go, there we go.
It is model VSBX 716 LED. Is this coming from full row? I'm 12.
And we have a touchdown, Scourge. And that's going to move the scoreboard to 26-0.
All right, did you get that?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off and then hold down reset as we turn it back on.
Baird is not currently working at the moment, and that all score and time is being kept on the field. So if you see some funny numbers on the scoreboard, please disregard them. I apologize for any inconveniences may cause.
So keep going upward. Okay, go down to football. Go down to football and hit enter 9 more times. 9.
Hey, you want?
Alright, so now I should have football in there. Softball, football. There we go. And then once we have the game
Huddle with 12!
once we have the game selected, we press reset.
Ref, you're standing right there!
It's not going out of the
Garrett said to make sure.
clock. So using the clock. What do we got, 27 nothing? Oh, we got him. Down the hole. Yep. Get him, get him, get him! Out of bounds. Alright. Get him. Pick that off.
Complete pass, but it's going to take him one.
Later.
Yeah, they're and from miles away are checking their numbers.
Holding, holding. Get the ball. Pick it up, pick it up! Yeah!
It's a beverage fish.
Oh yeah.
Just one guy.
Scourge ball.
And the Scourge got that fumble, making it Scourge ball.
Oh, there's the winner. 50 different kinds.
51.
Flavors.
51. Sure, that's my bad.
Right.
Oh crap, is that
And you're on tape. Can you hear me?
Number 8.
Nuh-uh.
Short game. Thanks.
That's a personal request for me.
Come on, Mike. Start over. Come on, Mike.
Oh! Oh, late hit.
Foods, drinks, and ice cream, which I count as a third category.
And it begins.
They should allow us to have beer up here while we do this.
Oh man.
No,
I
you
never
don't need
read.
him drinking and announcing. I mean,
Look at that draw.
is it the fourth quarter?
It's like I said, you know what?
Jet sweep. It's called a jet sweep. Number 22.
I almost a monster.
He gained. Get him, pick that off. Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, wait, catch that.
Damn it!
Good wide.
That wasn't me.
No. Is he hurt?
The numbering on those jerseys.
I know.
Just taking a look at it, it's really rough even on the sidelines.
Sweet. Eddie
Go,
Mack.
go, 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 go,
Go
go.
ahead.
Whoa!
Yeah.
And number 23, Mr. Eddie Mack on the sweep. Taking the Scourge to a first down. For 2 out of 3 weeks. So we'll see what the fourth quarter prices were. The Western Reserve Scourge 27. The Canton Hurricanes 0.
Come on, Eddie. Yeah, go. 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 Oh, sweet move. Nice. Everybody carry the ball out.
No, once you cross
He's getting
halftime,
beat up.
no, it's a win. It's become a win for us if the refs call it.
Yeah. There we go.
That's what happened in Zanesville 2 weeks ago. Is they could have called the game, but it was not.
25.
But it didn't benefit Zanesville.
Short loss of 2.
And the Scourge have a short.
54 or 52.
Oh, they're wide open.
Wide open. Yeah, baby. Nice five.
And touchdown Scourge! Number 5, Mr. Brandon Rutland. Running rules are actually reduced?
Yeah.
Everything on here is reduced, right? Yes. Amazing. I guess I could go $2.75 for an ice cream covered hot dog, but the sloppy Joe sounds a lot more exotic, doesn't it?
52.
52. Yeah.
That's when you think of
Do they have 51 flavors over there?
50, but you came up with 2 more.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
Dang!
Is that meanie? That's meanie. You can tell the way he runs. Number 60, the one that was trying to touch behind him the whole time. You can tell by the way he runs.
Get him. Yeah! 81. 81. Get him! Get him! Yeah! That's all right.
And 0 games, Stephen? And it is magnificent. I promise you, if anybody walked in front of you right now with 38 hot dogs in their hands, they'd have a huge smile on their face, and so would you. Concession stands over to the left. 2 for $1 hot dogs, $2 pepperoni rolls, $1 sloppy Joe, $1.50 nachos, $2 ice cream, and $3 ice cream sloppy Joes.
Get him. Yeah! Nice. Oh, man.
Ow! $2 ice creams, 2 for $1 hot dogs. Get some now at the concession stand to your left. Oh, interception!
Go ahead, number 8.
And we have an interception by number 8, Mr. James Williams.
81 interception.
Up here? No,
It might be Canfield.
Shit was offside. Fumble, they got it.
Walk in front, Christian.
Timeout.
Timeout.
Yeah.
Did you do that on purpose or did you do
No, I truly didn't. I truly thought you, because they used to sell the hugs.
Big down. Oh, yeah, that's true. Well, they haven't been here the entire time.
I know.
They need to come here more often. If they're more loyal supporter, I would totally put them on the
And another incomplete.
That ref says down here says no.
No, they didn't get it.
I just stepped out.
No, we're just gonna watch how much he tenses his shoulder when he doesn't take the next bite.
So nobody kept